Hello and welcome to the DIY and Affiliates and Collective Soul Journey. In this video, we are talking about Thanksgiving, what it is and why we celebrate. Thanksgiving is a holiday celebrated primarily in the United States and Canada. It is meant to give thanks for the blessings of the year, particularly for the bountiful harvest. The exact meaning and traditions associated with Thanksgiving may vary depending on cultural and personal preferences. But in general, it is a time for people to come together, express gratitude, and share a special meal with loved ones. The historical origins of Thanksgiving in the United States can be traced back to 1621. The feast between the Pilgrims and the Native Americans, where the Pilgrims expressed gratitude for a successful harvest. In Canada, Thanksgiving dates back even further to early European settlers, giving thanks for a good harvest and being grateful for their survival in a new land. Today, Thanksgiving usually involves a variety of customs, such as going to church, attending religious services, participating in parades, watching football games, and of course sharing a meal often centered around roasted turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. Many people use this holiday as an opportunity to spend time with family and friends, reflect on their blessings, and show appreciation for one another. Overall, Thanksgiving serves as a time to acknowledge and express gratitude for the good things in life, to come together with loved ones, and to foster a sense of unity and thankfulness within communities. I wish everyone happy and healthy Thanksgiving weekend. Thank you for listening, being part of this journey with me.